Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Today I'm going to show you a simple yet a delicious recipe which is called the beetroot cutlet. So for that I have taken half a kg of beetroot which I have boiled, peeled, and now we'll mash it. To this mashed beetroot, I'm going to add 3 boiled potatoes and mash this as well. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of chili powder. I'm going to add some salt, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and I'm going to add a cup of breadcrumbs, and I'm going to mix this well. To this I'm going to add some lemon juice of half a lemon. Mix this again and then we'll make the stuffing. So for the stuffing I have taken half a kg of cottage cheese paneer, to which I'm going to add 3 to 4 green chilies that I have finely chopped. I'm going to add half a cup of finely chopped coriander and some salt. Mix this really well. Our stuffing is ready as well, so let's make the beetroot cutlets now. Now to make the cutlets, I've taken a fistful of the potato and beetroot mash. I'm going to flatten it in my palms. I'm going to put a spoonful of the cottage cheese filling in this. Cover it. And then I'm going to gently pat it and flatten it as well, giving it a nice round shape. Keep it aside. Now let's make the cutlets in a similar way with the remaining mixture. Pat it again to flatten it up slightly. I've already placed a pan over here to heat. I'm going to pour in some oil. And now I'm going to coat these cutlets with breadcrumbs. And then I'm just going to gently fry them on both sides till they're nice and crisp. Let's flip these. These cutlets are slightly delicate, so you have to handle them with care. We have fried them nice and crisp on both the sides. Now let's remove them in a serving platter. Let's sprinkle some chaat masala on these cutlets and serve it with some nice fresh green chutney. This dish looks really colorful and is amazing to taste as well. Beetroot is always healthy, so is cottage cheese. So do try this recipe and let me know. For such interesting recipes, keep watching Get Curried.